name's Miss Amber. I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the Grundy Library, and today for Code Club we're doing a game called Dragon Blast. This can be found on hourofcode.com, and it's by Tinker, and this is perfect for our beginner coders. So we're going to get started. We're going to hit play now. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to select your dragon character that you're going to use for the game. So I'm going to pick this middle one here. So we have to hatch the egg. Okay, there he is. And now for the second challenge, we're going to have to start our code. It starts off pretty simple. We need him to walk forward and jump up and get to the treasure. So it's going to give us some information about the different blocks as we go along. Here's our start block up here in orange. And then down here, you can see that we have an orange start button. So we're going to use that whenever we're ready to test our code. So the first thing I want the dragon to do today is walk forward. So I'm taking a purple walk block, dragging it over, and connecting it on start. Making sure that it snaps in. That's very important. Okay, that looks good. We have him walking forward. Now I need my dragon to jump up. So I'm going to take the jump block, move it over, and connect it to walk. Now if I want to test this code, I go down here and I hit the orange button and we can see what happens. So he's walking up, he's jumping up, and he got the treasure. So if you complete a challenge, you'll see this screen. It'll tell you how long it took you to complete the challenge. If you want, you can go back and you can replay any of the challenges throughout this exercise, or you can continue on to the next lesson. So we're going to continue on and try another one together today. Alright, so this one is a little bit more challenging. Now we have to get him to blast fire. So he's going to need to eat this to get his fire power. Move forward, blast fire at the log to break down the barrier, and then he'll be able to reach the treasure. So let's see what code we need for this one. It's going to give us some information here that we can look at. Again, it's telling us about the different blocks. We have our start block here. And then we're going to get him to eat. Then we want him to move forward, do a blast of fire, and then we want him to walk forward 2 spaces to get to the treasure. I think that code looks good. Let's check it out. So we're going to test it by hitting our on start button. Okay, good. He ate that. He has his fire power. It's looking good, and he reached the treasure. Okay, perfect. So now let's click next lesson. Okay, so as you can see, they're starting to get a little bit more complicated. Each one gets a little bit harder, but they're really fun. There's 11 challenges in all in this game. Keep coding. I hope you have fun. And Miss Laura and I will see you back here with another Code Club lesson soon. All right, have a great week. Bye!